Now let's talk about how you can combine a book in the iPad Pro. Let's get into it. So at first, it depends on where exactly you have the book. Now, if you have it saved in your files as a PDF, then it's in fact pretty simple because all you have to do is to locate the files right there. So for example, let's say you have 2 or 3 PDFs. You can click on select, then select the PDFs right there, click on more, and you can create the PDF from those 2 PDFs, which will essentially put them together, combine it into one file. So that's one option if you have it saved in your files as a PDF format. But keep in mind that you can also use the Pages app, which is the Apple's built-in or official text editor. And using this application, you also have a couple of interesting options. Obviously, you can put files together, but the important thing here is that when you go to the export button, right, which is part of your Pages app, you can export it in the EPUB format, which is the official ebook format. So a lot of people kind of miss it that the Pages app is like this powerful. And obviously you can import like the text or paste it in here and then put it together into one official EPUB file. So that's another option as well. So as I say, it kind of depends on what exactly you need to achieve. If there is something else or something specific, let me know about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that I could help you. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.